The time I grabbed the wrong animal sidekick part 2.
Rapunzel? Yes? Can I please meet Pascal? Of course you can. Pascal loves making new friends. All right, let's see. Pascal! Pascal! Did you see him? Let me try again. Pascal! Pascal, where? I still don't see him. I know what will get him. Pascal, we're gonna play hide and seek. Oh, Gus Gus? That's because I forgot to tell you that I'm mouse sitting for Cinderella, right Gus? Oh, are they friends? Yep, they're the best of friends. That is what I came up with in the moment, but what do you think? Would Pascal and Gus Gus be friends?